Express 50 grams as a fraction of 2 kilograms. A. 1 over 25. B. 1 over 400. C. 1 over 40. D. 1 over 50. E. 2 over 25. Solution. Know that 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. Then 2 kilograms equals 2,000 grams. That is, to express 50 grams as a fraction of 2,000 grams gives 50 grams divided by 2,000 grams. Divide both the numerator and denominator by 50. 50 divided by 50 gives 1. 2,000 divided by 50 gives 40. Which is equals 1 over 40. The correct answer is C. The radius of a circle is 7 centimeters. Find its diameter. A. 154 centimeters. B. 44 centimeters. C. 22 centimeters. D. 14 centimeters. E. 3.5 centimeters. Solution. Know that 2 radius of a circle equals a diameter of a circle. Therefore, the radius of this circle equals 7 centimeters. And its diameter equals 2 times 7 centimeters. Which is equals 14 centimeters. The correct answer is D. The perimeter of a rectangle is 32 centimeters. If the length of the rectangle is 12 centimeters, find its width. Solution. Know that perimeter of a rectangle equals 2 times length plus width, where perimeter equals 32 centimeters and length equals 12 centimeters. Substituting, we have 32 is equal to 2 times 12 plus width is equal to 2 times 12 equals 24. Plus 2 times width equal 2 width. Therefore 24 plus 2 width equal 32. Subtract 24 from both sides gives 2 width equal 32 minus 24 is equal to 8. Divide both sides by 2. Width equal 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2 gives 4. Then the width of the rectangle equals 4 centimeters. The correct answer is E.